In this video, we'll deploy HAProxy on Cuemby Cloud. We'll start by defining the instance, the base image, and the resources the service will use within the platform. We'll also configure a password to access HAProxy's metrics, network configuration, and backup settings are also crucial here. And they are a particularly relevant aspect of a service like HAProxy. Depending on the situation, we can manage internal connectivity between components or enable a public IP address to receive external traffic and distribute it in a controlled manner to other services. We launch the deployment, and Cuemby Cloud handles the provisioning. HAProxy is a widely used solution for load balancing, reverse proxying, and high availability, ideal for distributing traffic among various services and improving application availability. Finally, we'll verify that HAProxy is available and ready to start managing incoming network traffic in a more organized and efficient way. Well, show some small demo pods to verify connectivity and endpoint load balancing in HAProxy. If we reload, we'll see that it varies between servers. We enter the stats section and see the most important system statistics and metrics. Finally, we can access the instance and remove these demo endpoints, thus deploying the desired applications to production. We review network resources. We can retrieve all the pods to verify their status and the cluster's health, the services it listens to externally on the internet. And with this command, we can remove the test pods from the HAProxy service. Thus, with Cuemby Cloud, we can have HAProxy deployed simply, with a clear foundation of infrastructure, network, and backup for more robust scenarios.